Good morning, everyone. We're here at the Lexus dealer for a service appointment. We're gonna go inside, check out the dealership, see what they have. I think they have a really nice waiting area, but currently in the waiting line, it's about, what time is it? 6:57, so 3 more minutes. Guys, I see a special car in the distance, 2 of them. Oh, this is the hybrid version, but it's still... It's pretty nice. This is what I'm talking about here. Oh, the blue trim. This is a car I'd definitely trade the IS for. Wow. Close up at everything here. Wow. This is the proper LC500. It's not a hybrid, it's got the proper V8 5.0. Let's see the trim in there. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, there's definitely no room for the back seat in this. It's just there to be there. The rims are huge. These wheels are amazing. Wow. This is another car I'd trade the IS500 for, but not convertible. And not this color. This is more unique, but not the color either. Oh, carbon fiber front lip. It looks like it may have been driven. I don't know if this is used or new. I haven't checked. Oh, we have a special little car here. Oh, this is nice. It was here last time I was here also. Wow, it's a beauty. It's a beautiful looking car. I don't know if it's open. No, they definitely have it locked. Hood vents. The antenna runs on the side. Oh, this is beautiful. The ES350. That's a big screen. Wireless charger. It's clean. Not for me, but it's clean. Little brother over here, the 350. Here's one I've always wanted to check out. No, this is the LX. I thought it was the GX from far away. It's the LX 460, or 460, 600. Wow, neat. Big wheels. I love the front end look on this. Wow. All three together, dream garage with the IS500, of course, or ISF to be even better. All right, let's take a look at the waiting area. This is a really good view of the cars from up top here. The LC500 is so beautiful, but then for track day you could take that out. And then to be environmentally friendly and green, you take this out. Is it true you get like 600 miles a gallon? A tank? With the hybrids? Let's see what's upstairs. You'd imagine there's gonna be cars up here, but it's not. It's pretty empty. There's office rooms for meetings. Cinema. Popcorn machine. They should have put a little old Lexus here instead. We have the Cobra. Oh, this is nice. This is sweet. Let's see what movies are playing today. Because we have I'm telling you, it's perfect for a date night. Bring the fiance out here next time. I'm not familiar with these movies. Indiana Bob's. It's kind of dark in here. Perfect for napping. Let's see what else is here. I'm telling you, date night. Catering. Oh, this is the spa area. Then you have a little gym with a mini golf area. This is neat. Wow, look at that. And get your workout in while you get your car fixed. Massage chairs. I tried it the last time I was here. A little quiet room, I guess. Overall, I'm really impressed. Let's check out the snacks they have here. It's downstairs. But this is something else. I went to the waiting area, grabbed a cup of coffee. They had some snacks out there. Pepsi, Sprite, crackers. But let's come back here and take a look at some of the cars. Guys, I just had to open the door on this car and the detail is just astonishing. Look at this. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Not the exact build I'd get, but wow. Wow. Tiny little window back here. The trunk is so wide. Just absolutely gorgeous. The detail on everything. Just beautiful. I wouldn't ask for anything else. The perfect build. Quality is just something else here. Look at that. It goes back in by itself, it looks like. This one is $120. Original price $105, but it's got some add-ons. I just noticed the wheel on this thing. It's got like an Alcantara touch to it. It's so soft. I Pilot Sport S5 by Michelin. They're huge, but wow, what a touch to them. Softer than my actual pants that I got on. Let's go ahead and set in the RCF. Wow, that steering wheel Alcantara is so soft. Cleaning is gonna be hard, but wow, look at this. Ooh, the back seat is also pretty tight on this. Sorry you guys can't see, but it's pretty tight. Wonder if you can get that steering wheel replaced for the IS. Same exact one, but with red here possibly to match my seats. Normal doors compared to the LC. It's got a carbon fiber lip. Alright guys, we just got done at the dealership right here. Oil change was good. No recalls on the car, nothing else to look at. Heading home. Thank you for watching today and hanging out with me at the dealership, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.